Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron of Memmi Papyrus. This week we're going to look at using press and seal in our scrapbooking. Let's get started. Hi everybody. Well, this is not a commercial, believe it or not, but it's a Tip Tuesday I thought I'd share with you. So this is press and seal. You probably have a box in your kitchen like I do. I'm just cutting out a little strip here to show you my tip. So I have started scrapbooking a little bit more, and I wanted to make a nameplate for my granddaughter's page. Her name is Chloe. So you know how it can get fussy to line up your letters and get them on the page in the same order and the same distance as you planned. So I'm positioning my letters here on this strip. I'm going to move them a little bit apart. So this is how I want them to look, and Chloe has an accent here. Chloe. Now I'm going to take my piece of press and seal and press it over my letters right here. So I have them all in the same order, and I will lift them and put the adhesive on every one. Oh, my L's a little crooked. Put the adhesive on the back of them and then reposition them where I want to place them, and they will not budge. Then when the adhesive has dried, your glue or whatever, you can just gently pull on the press and seal and remove them. So that's my tip for this week. Very simple. Probably everybody has some press and seal. Enjoy and have fun scrapbooking.